Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you an official and legal way to claim a completely free one-year subscription of PDF2Go. Make sure you follow each step carefully, otherwise you might run into errors. The best part is that PDF2Go also has browser extensions for Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, making your PDF editing much easier. As I mentioned earlier, you'll be getting a free one-year subscription. Let's quickly check the pricing section first. PDF2Go's subscription model is based on credits. Each task requires 1 credit. Normally, the plan gives you 480 credits per month, and that's exactly what you'll be getting for free. Let me show you how. On Google, search for PDF2Go Education and visit the official website. It's usually the first link. Here, you'll see that PDF2Go is offering a completely free one-year subscription for students and teachers. This is an official promotion from PDF2Go, so it's 100% legit, and you definitely don't want to miss it. All you need is an educational email address to claim the offer. If you don't have one, you can easily get a temporary educational email from the internet. And if you can't find one, just join our WhatsApp channel where we'll share one for you. Now let me show you the steps. I'll copy an educational email and paste it into the box. On the next screen, set a strong password for your account and click Sign Up. Before continuing, make sure to verify your email address. Check your inbox and confirm the verification link. Once your email is verified, click Continue. And that's it. You now have a free monthly subscription to PDF2Go worth $6.42 per month, absolutely free for a whole year. That's a total savings of about $77. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.